Hello guys, and welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share files between the host machine OS and a VirtualBox guest OS. Let's get started. Down in the bottom right corner, you'll see a folder icon, but it's currently inactive. This is because there's no shared folder configured yet. To fix this, we need to use a folder from the host machine. I've already created a shared folder and added a test file for this demonstration. Here's the folder, and here's the file I've prepared. Now, we need a mount point in the guest OS to mount this shared folder. Let's open the home directory, then open a terminal window. Run the pwd command to check the current path. I want to mount this shared folder to a specific location, so I'll create a new folder for it. Then, I'll move into that folder and run pwd again to get the path. Currently, the folder is empty. I'll copy this path for later use. Now, go to the top left corner of VirtualBox and select Devices, then Shared Folders, and select Shared Folder Settings. Click the ++ button to add a new shared folder. You'll see a few options here. Folder path. Select the folder on the host OS that you want to share. If it's not listed, choose Other and browse to the location. Mount point. Paste the path to the folder we just created in the guest OS. You'll also see some optional settings. Read only. If this is checked, the guest OS can only read from the folder. Auto mount. If enabled, the folder will be automatically mounted each time you reboot the guest OS. Make permanent. This makes the shared folder persist even after restarting VirtualBox or the VM. For now, I'll only enable auto mount and then click OK to save the settings. Once saved, we should be able to access the shared folder. Let's check in the terminal. It might take a few seconds to show up. Or just try refreshing the home directory. Yes, it's ready now. There's a permissions issue though. No worries. We just need admin credentials the first time we access the folder. Let's authenticate. Perfect. Now we can access the shared folder. Let's try creating a directory inside it. Done. Now let's check the folder on the host OS. And yes, the same directory appears there too. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.